Welcome back, guys. I want to touch on a topic right before we get into today's video, because obviously it was recorded prior to this, and I want to thank each and every one of you guys for your kind words of congratulating us on getting the dyno. I cannot wait to get that thing set up and be able to have a shop of our own to be able to help every single one of you guys, so thank you so much. I also want to touch on the topic of what I saw in the comments a lot, and that was asking about the prior shop the dyno was at, and Steve, or much of you know him as Steve Tuned. And unfortunately HMS closed down a little over a year ago, I believe it's been now, and they were no longer in business. They are closed down, guys, and that is why Steve also changed his profession a while back. He was working directly with Subaru, and you guys saw he was still doing tuning. Well, he has then now, as he mentioned, moved on with PRE Racing over in Oregon. That is why you guys aren't seeing him do any more tuning or any more videos. I don't know what his contract is there or whatnot, but that may be why he's not doing videos. I'm not too sure, guys. I did talk to him this weekend. Obviously we went out to dinner, and definitely I kind of pushed him to try to do videos again, because I know all you guys miss it, but I don't know if he's going to or not. That is the answer, guys, the question of what happened with Steve Tuned, and we definitely still are close, and unfortunately he's just not doing any tuning right now. Man, I am looking freaking scruffy. I shaved this stuff off. We had a nice long trip, definitely a long weekend, but we are back now, and we got the dyno in storage. That's what you guys are gonna be seeing today, and we are ready to move into the next week and show you guys some more daily uploads. So let's get into today's video, guys. Morning, guys. We are back out in a new morning, and as you can tell, we are now back home. We covered the dyno last night, and I'm pretty happy we did, because we got quite a bit of rain last night. While I was editing the video, it was really downpouring for you, so you can see we still have some puddles on here, but thankfully we had all the computer and everything covered, and the main brain unit already taken off and put inside. Wife's with me today. We are going to be having an eventful day trying to get this thing off of the trailer, so we'll see how this goes. It's going to be going into storage, as all of you guys know already, and I'm trying to get into the dang truck right now while I'm talking to you. So since this thing is going in storage, I'm really gonna be heads down looking for a shop. I'll know more on Monday about the one that we were trying to put our name down, so tomorrow. But if that doesn't work out, guys, we need to find something, because the longer this thing sits, obviously the longer time we're not using it and, you know, using our investment. So that's the best way to put it. We're gonna head out. We're gonna go put this thing over at Remy's house for now. He has a nice big shop that's covered, nice safe spot. We're gonna put the scene over there for right now, and we'll keep it nice and covered, and hopefully it won't be there too long, guys. I'm really hoping 2 months to be the most to have this thing put away, but we'll see how things go. It's been really scarce for finding a shop, and old truck here, she's warming up, beeping away at me right now. All right. Huh? I have no clue. I don't even know. I don't go to the Dollar Tree. I go to the car wash. That's why. No, that's the car wash. That's the car wash, because we are there all the time having a black vehicle. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the dyno video. That was a pretty late upload to stay within our daily uploads. I'm pretty tired right now, and we're at pretty decent time today, so I'm gonna head out here, and I will show you guys the fun we're gonna have getting this dyno off. So
it'll be fine.
We'll find out. Hopefully it's a pretty smooth sailing process. I mean, we already set ourselves up here per what?
It doesn't have the gooseneck and everything, but it has the trailer.
We got an invisible trailer, guys.
No, you can see the trailer, you just can't see the gooseneck.
Yeah, it's invisible. You know, I did say this thing has an invisible trailer option.
Oh god.
Where you can see through the trailer. It has the camera, I've just never hooked it up. So we're gonna get rolling out. Got my morning coffee. Good old Coca-Cola.
Looks like you got us coffee. Like,
oof, probably got her a little excited for that. I mean, we could take this thing through the coffee stand, but that'd be fun. Oh man, we got, holy. All right, we're on the road. I'm gonna let you guys go before I die. Well, we finally made it to where we're gonna be storing the dyno, and we got a Bobcat with forks, so hopefully that's gonna work well. It's Shania's grandpa. He was fortunate enough to have that, so I have to stand up against the wall here, but we're gonna have to get to this side of the dyno. Oh, we may have lost the tarp. I don't know where we lost that at, but here she is. Oh no, it's still there. We're good. There's Bobcat. So we're gonna start probably getting this side off, then get the other side off. What's up, guy?
How you doing?
Yeah, I figured it'd probably be better out here than trying to move a trailer and a Bobcat around in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I thought we lost the tire.
Oh my god.
But it's still on.
Oh, this will fit easy.
Yeah.
She's about to there. Yeah.
Longer than
But yeah, no, it won't take up very much space at all. And it's really, it's pretty compact now.
I was like,
I thought it might be too wide, but I think this is what, 10 feet? Maybe 12 feet.
12, yeah.
So I think it'll be fine. Then we just lift that pallet off, sit it to the side in there.
How is this?
These we go underneath them, pick them up. So it should be like
The
really
only hard
simple.
part might be angling it.
I know.
Because it's not an open. I don't know.
Little awning. We'll figure it out. Let's go look. We'll scope it out. I mean, it should be fine. I mean, as he turns in.
That's the only issue is turning and then putting it in. But I don't. In my head last night when I was thinking about it, I was like, I thought it was smaller than it was.
Well, either way, we'll get it figured out.
Oh, this will be fine.
Yeah, because if anything, we can put it against the back wall and it'd be super compact. Nice little covered awning for now for old Dyno girl. He's trying to get me to set it up in here. But it should just go right there, literally from that square over, I would think. Because that looks like it.
Too, but
Depending on how good that Bobcat turns, I mean, you could come in and turn.
I'm gonna take a bit to straw it.
What the hell?
I know, like thanks for scratching it up.
Wow.
It's turnish.
Well, we're gonna get everything ready to go, and I'll give the wife the camera. I'll make her be the camera person for you guys. And yeah, we'll get this thing all set up, get it all put away. Hopefully find a shop soon. 2 months, that's what I told him. It's for under 2 months. It might be 3, but it's hopefully less. There's part-timer out there. Okay, she can hear me from here, but then she'll be like, what'd you say? Alright, we got him unstrapped. Ready to see if old Bobcat got enough for this thing right now. Let's see.
Check that cable out. Should I go underneath that cable?
Yeah.
Whoa. That's 2 pieces, right?
It's 2 pieces, yeah, so
Just take one at a time, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Keep going in.
Go in some more.
You can keep going in. Keep going, and keep going. Okay. You're good there.
What?
Should be good.
Right there?
Good. Try to put that cable up there. Wow, Bobcat did it, guys. Now we just got to go with the slow progress of getting this thing over and tucked away in here right now. Definitely saddening to put this thing in storage, guys. I mean, you ever bought something, car part or anything that you can't use until you do a certain thing or something else or buy something else? It sucks, guys. It definitely sucks. I'm just gonna hit the ground running, try my best, guys. Hopefully no more than 3 months we find a shop, but for now this is what's got to be done. We'll make it work. And we own it, so I mean we have it whenever we need it. So I'm ready. Coming through. Oh yeah, it's not that bad. We thought it was gonna be wider than this. Not that bad. I thought it was gonna be a lot wider.
Yeah.
You want to grab those pieces of wood though, so that we can put those under this when he sits it down. It's gonna be tough because one is already there. We're gonna grab the wood because I don't know what we're gonna do about that one side with this piece of wood.
Yeah.
Maybe just put these two boards on either side for now.
Is there 2?
Yeah, there's 2 there. You probably don't have any wood.
So
No woody Remy. Oh, it's working out, guy.
Yeah.
It's not being as bad as we thought.
Now let's see if this part goes good.
Yeah, it's almost small enough in there he could probably transition.
I know, that's what I'm thinking. Oh no, this is easy.
Yeah. Now, what do you think? Put it up against that wall straight, or try to turn it in there and put it against the sidewall?
What did you say?
Do you think we should try to put it straight against the back wall, or turn in there and put it against the sidewall? You think you have enough room?
You mean if I have to come in from the side?
Yeah, or put it there along that wall.
Where do you want to
sideways?
set it? Over in this corner, right?
Doesn't matter. We can put it straight against the back wall. We can move those barrels. Maybe heavy?
Dude,
We can move the barrels at least, and then put these down and put it all the way against that back wall.
yeah.
That'll probably be the
I think
easiest.
that'd be easier because coming in from the side. I don't know.
Yeah. Sorry, I mean, you don't get as much space. All right, all your muscles. Let's see them. Are you gonna? Oh, you freaking puss.
You mean you just want me to set it in there?
Yeah.
I could set it on the side.
Over here,
Yeah.
but up like that against the wall.
Like this way.
Yeah, you want this here just like against the wall there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just get all that shit out of the way there.
You think,
Yeah.
Is that better?
Don't let 'em fall.
Hey, watch me, I can't hardly see back. I want to get over as much as I can.
I brought it myself, sorry.
He does it a couple times or two.
Now you should move those way up against the corner there. Just get the hell out of here.
Action.
There we go, guys. This thing is all in storage.
It's all yours.
One
I've
day
officially made the move.
we can use it. Remy, he's
No,
gonna
Remy's
do
gonna have it out.
He's
Like,
really gonna
I'll
send me a
have my
picture.
car on it tonight.
He's gonna send me a picture. All right, car's ready for tune. Get over here on the dyno. No, this will be it for hopefully no more than 3 months, guys.
Look, it just fits in a little corner over here.
If anyone knows of a shop in our local area, or you guys want to help us look, we're in the Spokane area, by the way, Washington. Let me know. Washington
State.
Washington State, not
Washington
Not
State,
DC.
not Washington DC. So make sure we're looking 1,500 to 3,000 square feet. That's what we want for right now. We can always grow later. And you know what? We're ready to sign a commitment. We're ready to go. It's just we got to find the right spot. Hopefully we can find some. Or we're gonna be building a new shop right here.
Right there.
Right there. Right in the yard. You see that grass?
Take
No
out
more.
all the grass.
Buy grass. And then well, we'll have new Bob the builder
You don't
across the
actually
street.
extending the shop all the way?
Yeah. Your neighbor's gonna love you.
Yeah.
About as much as mine loves me. We're best friends.
You and Bob have a certain type of connection.
We have a certain type of connection. What are you doing? Are you want to pay attention to your camera?
It's on you still. I was just waving goodbye.
Oh, thank you to Shania's grandpa for coming over, using his Bobcat. I think he had more fun than he'll lead you on to be. So he's moving out now. We're all finished up here. That's gonna wrap up today's video of unloading the dyno. I'll try to keep these daily uploads coming. Wait till you see what's tomorrow.
It's tomorrow.
I don't really know yet. I'll figure that out tomorrow.
Saying you don't have anything exciting planned.
I'm pretty sure I do, so just wait.
We're
You'll
putting
find out.
taillights on the RA.
We're gonna be
Oh,
putting
yeah.
dog
I
box,
should just straighten my
belts,
flaps.
rotated kit, everything on the RA.
No.
Yeah.
Is that
Bye.
it?
Hit the stop button.
Is it?
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground.